Welcome to BestusefulTips. Here I will show you how to change keyboard language in Android 10 devices. First of all, go to settings, scroll down up to system setting, tap on language and input, tap on virtual keyboard under keyboard section. Now tap on keyboards. Here you can see languages, preferences, theme, text correction, voice typing and more settings. To change keyboard language, go to languages. You can see different language and layout. By default set English QWERTY as a keyboard language. Now tap on add keyboard. Now select language from list you want to add on a keyboard list. Now I want to add Sanskrit India. Now tap on done. Here you can enable multilingual typing also. Now you can see language add keyboard in your device. To move it first position, if you want to set as a default keyboard language. If you want to delete language, tap on a pencil icon. Now select language and tap on trace icon to delete from list. To quickly change a language, open any messaging app, tap on a spacebar icon. Now you can see keyboard language. Select keyboard language you want to set. It's quite easy and quickly switch language on keyboard. That's it. It's quite easy to change language and keyboard language in Android 10. That's it. Please like it, share it and don't forget to subscribe to get more tips.